Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repair Windows 10. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is power on your PC and immediately start pressing the correct key repeatedly before Windows start loading. So most PCs and laptops have F8. It may need multiple presses. For Dell, we have F12. For HP, we have Escape. For Lenovo, we have F11 or Novo button. You can simply choose the one for your version and start pressing as soon as the PC powers on before the Windows logo appears. So after pressing the key, you'll see the advanced boot menu or Windows recovery environment. So from these options, you're going to click on troubleshoot, that is reset your PC or see advanced options. Over here, you're going to click on reset this PC. It will let you choose to keep or remove your files, then reinstall Windows. From here, you're going to click on startup repair, which will fix problems that keep Windows from loading. And if you wish to restore your system completely, you're going to click on System Restore, which will use a restore point recording on your PC to restore Windows. We also have some other options such as System Image Recovery if you wish to recover Windows using a specific system image file. And we also have Command Prompt. So I'll go with Startup Repair, and then you're going to choose the account that is within your PC to continue. So simply select the account you want and type down the password of that account and click on continue. So you're going to wait for the repairing process to complete, and once done, wait for your PC to be booted, and that's it. That is how you can repair Windows. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.